Now that you hopefully understand some of the reasons you might want to try sponsored ads, I want to make sure that we're really clear on what is exactly Amazon PPC. Now, Amazon PPC is simply how you do advertising on Amazon, and it places PPC campaigns in the visibility of the shopper in the search results based on a couple of different factors, but it's that visibility that you're really paying for on Amazon. Now, after you make a successful keyword bid, you as the advertiser pay a fee to Amazon when during a shopper search they click on your particular ad after they view that keyword results. So this is why it's called pay-per-click or PPC. Now, this is the Amazon PPC process, just so you can kind of see it laid out as I just described it. A customer enters a search term into the search bar, and if you're running a relevant ad to that particular keyword, you potentially are going to be seen if you're also bidding on a keyword that is either exactly or similarly or close to that particular search term that the shopper typed in. Now, if your bid is correct, then you might get an impression. Now, there's a couple other factors that are related to relevancy, not just bid. So we don't want to say that your highest bid is always going to win, because that simply is not the case. Some other factors that Amazon looks at are product ranking and relevancy, but you do need to make sure that you have a competitive bid. Now, after you've seen or you're seen on that page, that's just an impression. The shopper hasn't clicked on your ad just yet. So if they do click on it, that's where the pay-per-click comes in. If they don't click on your ad, then again, that's just an impression and you don't pay for that. So what are the ways that you can take advantage of Amazon PPC? If you have noticed these ads before, as I mentioned, they do say sponsored, like you can see in this particular image. But there's 3 different types of campaigns that you can actually do with Amazon PPC. The standard one is simply called sponsored product ads. Now, these are keyword or ASIN targeted ads that allow advertisers to promote their individual products, and they show up again on shopping results and product detail pages. Within sponsored product ads, there's 3 different ways to target search terms based on match types, which I'll go over in the next couple of pages. Sponsored brand ads are the second campaign type that you can run in Seller Central. And this is the one that you see right at the top when you do a search query. It's typically got 3 different products in it. It's got an image and a headline and a logo, and it really catches the attention of shoppers as it's in a prime position. These ads appear above all the search results, and of course that increases your visibility. This is also the only campaign type that you can actually do a video for, so you really want to take advantage of sponsored brand ads. Sponsored display ads is the 3rd type and the newest of the types. These are also ASIN targeted ads that are highly visible because you can actually target detail pages of your competitors or your own pages and potentially be seen below the bullets or even below the buy box. Now, this makes it really easy for any advertiser to reach their target audience with ads that appear above the fold. Above the fold simply means that the shopper didn't have to scroll down their product listing in order to see your ad. It's just visible on the results when they first click on that product detail page. So it's very, very strong placement. What's the eligibility requirements for some of these PPC campaigns? Because of course there is some when dealing with Amazon. Your sponsored product ads are available to anybody. All professional sellers, vendors, KDP, agencies, anyone can do sponsored product ads. Sponsored brand ads and sponsored display are where you have to get brand registered. These are also all available to all types of sellers. If you're, again, brand registered, any vendor, agency, KDP publisher can do sponsored brand ads or sponsored display ads. The last one I want to mention is not necessarily a campaign type, but it's more of a capability that you can also get if you do brand registry, which is your stores. And stores are simply like a website on Amazon itself that you can direct traffic to, especially if you have a lot of different products. It's a way to showcase those particular products in a very unique and branded way. And I'll go over Amazon stores specifically in a later module. Now, before we go into further details, I just want to make sure that you guys are familiar with all the terms, some of which you just heard me talk about, but let's go into the jargon that is related to Amazon PPC.